Huge thank you to my sponsor, CoreFit Living. Thank you so much for all your help. I really appreciate it, and I wouldn't have been able to get where I am today without your support. We are 16 weeks out from the WBFF Pro World Competition this August the 24th and 25th. I am excited, and I've been excited since last year, August the 27th, at the Pro World Show, knowing what it's all about and what I need to do and all the improvements I need to make. So feeling stronger than ever. I've been making lots of improvements. I'm on a really strict diet of the regular trainer's diet, fish and broccoli and green beans and chicken and all the good stuff, lots of supplements, everything my body needs for the fuel to get stronger. Okay, I'd like to say a big thank you to you for all your support. I love all your really great comments on my Facebook page. It really helps to motivate me and keep me excited, so I can push myself as hard as I can, so I can rock it on that stage and make all of you very, very proud of me. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you in a few weeks and let you know how everything's going. Okay, I love you. Mwah. See you later. Bye.